you're experiencing payment blocks on Gmail, it's essential to take proactive steps to prevent them in the future. Follow these steps to ensure smoother transactions. Step 1. Review payment information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Escher.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication. Activate two-factor authentication on your Google account. This adds an extra layer of security and helps prevent unauthorized access that could lead to payment issues. Step 3. Monitor account activity. Regularly check your account activity for any suspicious transactions or changes. If you notice anything unusual, report it immediately to Google support. Step 4. Use a reliable payment method. Opt for a payment method that is widely accepted and has a good track record. Credit cards or trusted payment services can help reduce the likelihood of payment blocks. Step 5. Stay informed about policy changes. Keep yourself updated on Google's payment policies and guidelines. Changes in terms of service can affect how payments are processed, so being informed can help you adapt quickly. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the chances of encountering payment blocks in the future. Stay proactive and keep your account secure.